Hello everybody, my name is James Parker and today I'm going to be showing you how you can create your own personalised and custom business cards online. Now the good news is you won't be needing any technical or programming knowledge to do this, and you can do this all from your own home computer. Now business cards serve as one of the world's oldest and most reliable forms of personal marketing, and it isn't likely to phase out anytime soon due to its effectiveness. It's almost a guaranteed way to give potential customers your entire contact information in one almighty swoop. Now, you may have noticed business people purposely leaving their business cards tucked inside restaurant menus, shop newspapers, pub tables, etc. This practice of drop marketing, as we call it, allows random people who stumble across your business card to potentially be interested in what you have to offer. And so today I'm going to be showing you how you can produce your own business cards and also potentially implement this means of marketing. First of all, you'll simply need to head on to your internet browser, and in your internet browser type in the printhive.co.uk. Now, as you load up the Print Hive's website, in the search products box simply type in business cards and you will be navigated to this page. Now, as you can see here, we have a few options. You can choose whether or not you want your business cards to be square or rounded, and you can also choose a quantity. So you can, of course, if you wanted, start off with 100. 250 is generally a good amount to go for. Now, to start designing your business card, again, as I say, you can do it all online. All you have to do is click Start Designing Now. So give that button a click and you will be taken to a website that allows you to design your card from scratch. So we've got here a gigantic list of pre-made templates. So you don't have to make anything yourself directly if you don't want to. However, if you did want some more customization, you are able to import your own photos and images and replace any text with your own. So let's say I was looking for a business card for my construction business. I could simply search for the word construction, and you can see here that quite an extensive list of pre-made construction business cards appear for me. So I'm simply going to choose the one at the top, as I quite like the look of this one, and all I have to do is give that a click. Now, as you can see, when I give it a click, it offers me a front and a back. So I'm going to start by designing the front. All I've done here is I've clicked the text and I'm replacing it with my own. Again, simply click the text that you wish to replace and type in your text here. And once you're satisfied with that, then I'm going to get the other side of the card and I'm going to drag this down here. And where you see that plus sign, we're going to drag that into there. And again, we can simply type in your name here as well. And of course, you would replace the address details with your own address details. Now, once you are satisfied that you have created your card perfectly, all you need to do is click on this download icon just in the top right corner. And you will see an option called PDF print. Now, I do recommend saving your business card in PDF, because PDF is similar to a Word document. It's a very widely accepted file format that the Print Hive and many other printing companies have adapted to use. So we're going to be saving this as a PDF file. So I'm simply going to hit download. And the download box shall appear. And I'm going to save the business card to the desktop here. Now, it's as simple as this. When you go on the Print Hive's website and you click Start Designing Now and you've saved your file, simply click Upload here and select the PDF file. It will upload. And once it's finished uploading, the Add to Basket option will become available. And all you have to do is simply click Add to Basket and proceed with payment as normal. And that's essentially it. Once you've selected whether or not you want it to be squared or rounded, once you've selected your quantity, the Print Hive will do the rest for you. Now, of course, if they do notice any discrepancies or issues with your business card, they will make sure to get in contact with you ahead of time, just to make sure everything is exactly as you want it. And of course, if the Print Hive do have any recommendations for you, they will always call you or drop you an email to make you aware that some improvements need to be made, and they'll be more than happy to help you out with it. And that is literally as easy as it is to produce business cards. So As times has changed, so has customer demand. However, that little piece of card you hand out to people merely needs updating at best. These days, you'll find that people additionally broadcast their email address and website on their card, as well as the basics such as their name, contact telephone number, job title, address, etc. So depending on your business, some people even list their social media links on their card. Nevertheless, if you are a business and you do want to get your name out there, then business cards are certainly the first go-to option. So again, simply head on over to the printhive.co.uk/printing and then /business-cards. And that's it. You'll be able to do the rest from here. Otherwise, thank you very much for your time. Until the next video.